Hey, it's Joe Anderson again coming to you from the RV warehouse here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Grand Rapids RV by Terrytown. Standing outside the Salem 31KQBTS today, the triple slide bunkhouse. This is one of the hottest bunkhouse floor plans on the market, and not everybody builds this floor plan. Just want to give you a quick look at this one. You know, standard with the Salems in the best in class package. Has the power front jack. Has those JT strong arms again that we talked about on that last video, increasing stability throughout the coach when you're walking inside of it. Look at the size of that pass-through storage. Not too many people do a pass-through storage that big with a door that big. Has the power awning with LED awning lights. The solid steps going up into the camper there. Outside speakers. And then the big outside kitchen with the refrigerator, with the swing arm grill on the back, and it's prepped for a backup camera. So you can throw that Furrion backup or observation camera on the back and get dialed in when you're rolling down the road. Let's jump inside here. We have LG solid surface countertops in all these Salems right now with residential faucet. A huge oversized U-shaped dinette is always popular. And again, that Everchill 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. This is what sets this one apart. Giant bunk room, 2 slides, so slide on each side opposing, and a ton of storage in the back. Has 4 bunks, and these are big bunks. They're not the little ones that only little tiny kids can sleep on. Those will fit adults. Nice big bathroom with tub. So the Salem has the refrigerator, this 10.6 cubic foot. It's by Everchill. Has the Furrion cooktop, has the Furrion fireplace. It also has extra stow and go storage in each one of these underneath the sofa there, and has more stow and go underneath the bed. Denver mattress with walk around camper sized queen bed, so it's a shorter queen bed, but tons of room to walk around on both sides of the bed. And then of course that does have the pull down roller shades. Alright, this has been a look at that Salem 31KQBTS. Look forward to talking to you. Give me a call, 616-375-0938.